We'll guide you through how to fix the "something went wrong" error in Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Make sure you're signed into your account. The first thing you need to do is clear your browser's cache and cookies, which can often resolve this issue. In most browsers like Chrome, you can do this by clicking on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, selecting Settings, then Privacy and Security, and finally Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select Cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After clearing these, refresh the Gmail page to see if the problem is resolved. If the error persists, you should check your browser extensions. Sometimes, certain extensions can interfere with Gmail's functionality. Go to your browser's extensions or add-ons settings, disable all of them, and then gradually re-enable them one by one to identify which one might be causing the issue. Another effective solution is to try accessing Gmail in an incognito or private browsing window, as this mode doesn't use your regular cache and cookies. If you're still facing issues, consider using a different browser to see if the problem is browser-specific. Lastly, ensure your browser is up to date, as outdated versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues with Gmail. If none of these steps work, check Google's G Suite status dashboard to see if there are any known issues with Gmail services. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.